So my question is, we are part of this samsara. Like I have my role to play as a mother or whatever. I'm aware that I'm also the existence conscious bliss. So how do I withdraw myself back and relate? Just being in samsara and
correct, but reverse it. I am a mother, I am a wife, I am a corporate executive, and I am also Satchidananda Brahman. No, reverse it. I am Satchidananda Brahman, and also these things. Why? Because these things, first of all, are temporary. Your most dearest children, inevitably, they'll grow up and they'll go away. They will have their lives of their own. There's nothing to be sad about that. That's very natural, and you would expect that. Education, job, retirement, all these come and go in the natural course of life. Don't get attached to the roles that you play. These roles are manifestations of one reality. You must have both. You must have the reality and its manifestation. You are Satchidananda, manifested in this body and mind as this person, with certain roles, all of which are subject to change, which will keep changing. They are like that bubble in Central Park, shining soap bubbles, glittering in the air. But here it bursts within a second or two. Here the other one bursts in 20 years, 30 years, 40, 50 years. But when it's gone, it's equally gone. Don't grasp onto these things. The role, the person, this is my beloved child. Yes, it's natural to have love for the child. But remember, that person is also a whirling mass of change, increasing, developing, growing. And so, be a well-wisher. Radiate peace and love and service wherever you are. Reduce that bondage of me and mine. I am this one. This is my child, this is my job, this is my house. Expand. Yes, that is true, but beyond that, everybody else is also your own. There is nobody who is not your own in this world. From a Vedantic perspective, all are your own. But be rooted in that nature of that I am, that existence consciousness place. Because if you move away from that center, the spiritual center, then we'll be sucked into this whirling mass of change, and then suffering. And as the Buddha said, dukkham, suffering will come. Thank you.